Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to block spam calls in Truecaller. So, if you also want to block spam calls in Truecaller, then this video is going to be a savior for you. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to block spam calls in Truecaller? Well, no one likes spam or marketing calls. They are disturbing, irritating and often make us miss out on important calls. So, here I will show how to block spam calls in Truecaller. To do so, open Truecaller on your Android phone. Then, go to the settings. After this, click on block. Here you will see certain premium options as well as free options. If you don't want to go for premium option, then enable block top spammers. Now, scroll down and enable another option, block numbers not in the phone book. This will stop the calls getting from the number that are not in your phone book. However, if you want to block calls that are starting with the same number series like +91140, +91162, +91177 and more, then you have to open Truecaller and go to settings. Click on block. Scroll down and click on block number series. Select numbers starting from and add the number series to block. And that's all, it will block all the numbers starting from the similar series. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users who want to block spam calls in Truecaller. Also, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.